Civic Center TV salutes West Bloomfield area businesses with The Biz, where local entrepreneurs share their unique insight and knowledge on a wide variety of subjects. The Biz is produced with the support of the Greater West Bloomfield Chamber of Commerce. It's time now for The Biz.
I'm Daisha from Civic Center TV, and on this episode of The Biz, we're here at Caring Smiles Family Dentistry in West Bloomfield, and we're going to talk to you about the importance of oral hygiene.
It's important to have good oral hygiene because a lot of people don't know that it is directly connected to the rest of your body. And so there's ways that we can detect if somebody could possibly have diabetes. There's also ways that we can detect if someone could possibly have heart problems too. So being able to have good oral health and doing the proper things at home, brushing twice a day, flossing twice a day, definitely can have a positive effect in somebody's overall health as well.
Although brushing your teeth is the most common way of maintaining oral health, flossing and using mouthwash can be just as important.
It's important to floss because when you're brushing your teeth, you're only getting certain areas of the teeth. So a tooth has 4 sides and then the top. And so when you're brushing, you're only getting the front and the back and the top. So that's 2 sides that are not cleaned at all with the toothbrush. So it's important to get the floss in there to get everything out that's hiding from food particles. Even if you're flossing, you don't see anything coming out, you're getting out bacteria, and that's helping to keep your gums healthy from gum disease and also from cavities.
And then brushing your tongue. Brushing your tongue is really important because a lot of times 80% of the bacteria that causes bad breath and other issues such as cavities actually resides in your tongue. So ignoring your tongue can definitely cause those problems. And then using mouthwash as well. Mouthwash and gargling, that also, a lot of times bad breath also starts in your throat too. So all those combinations of things, as well as limiting the amount of sweets and sugar and candy that a person is eating at home, can definitely play a good role in preventing that.
Reducing your daily sugar intake is not only important for your health, but also your teeth, because when you consume multiple grams of sugar, it produces acids that dissolve and damage the teeth, leading to decay if left untreated.
A lot of times people may not know that there's a lot of sugar in items that they think may be healthy. A lot of juices out there are full of sugar, or a lot of the sports drinks such as Gatorade and some of the other ones out there are full of sugar too. And so those are the type of things that, even coffee, people put sugar in their coffee, but those are the type of items that people will sip on throughout the day, and they'll not know that that could be causing cavities. And I always stress to patients that it's not about how much sugar you have, but it's actually the duration of time that sugar is sitting on your teeth. So I recommend to patients, if you're going to drink the juices or the sodas, to limit it to mealtime, because it's only a small portion of the time that you're having that drink versus sipping on it throughout the day, and that definitely can cause problems.
And when you don't take oral health care seriously, it can actually lead to far more serious issues than just a bad toothache.
Bad oral hygiene can lead to a lot of different things. People most know about cavities. Nobody wants to go to the dentist and find out they have a cavity. But it's not just that. It's also taking care of your gums. If you're not doing a good job taking care of your gums, it can lead to gum disease. Gingivitis is the number 1 stage, the first stage of gum disease, and then after that it gets worse. And a lot of people have gingivitis and don't even know about it.
A lot of times the first thing that we're looking for when we see someone that has some sort of gum disease, which is sometimes also known as periodontal disease or bone loss, is that it can be the first signs that somebody could have an issue with diabetes. So there's a lot of different ways that your oral health and signs that we can find in the mouth. Another big thing that we're looking for is oral cancer. So we're doing oral cancer screening when someone comes in. We're checking their tongues, we're checking around their cheeks, and we want to make sure that we're informing them of anything we see and what they should be looking for at home, because the earlier we can find any problems, the better for the patient, and they can relay that on to their physician as well.
What a great experience we had at Caring Smiles Family Dentistry in West Bloomfield. We learned about brushing our tongues, flossing, and the importance of it all. I'm Daisha for Civic Center TV, and that's your biz.